Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I got my Fab Fit Fun box. This box I think might be sold out, but right now if you join, I do have a link down below, which would be nice if you use. You'll get a $10 or $15 off discount. I think it might be $10, and you get the editor's box. The editor's box has some really awesome stuff that I've already gotten. So anyway, I also got my, no, don't eat that. I also got my add-ons in the same box. So this was in a giant box and it weighs a ton. But I'm going to go over my add-ons first. First add-on that I got was a set that came with this outrageously humongous water bottle, which I think is going to be a little difficult to clean, but it does have a pretty large opening. I also got one for my husband in the teal color, so I'm going to find out from him how he feels about it. It is pretty cool. It's really pink. And it was part of a set that also included a fitness desk calendar. Oh, it's got a cushiony cover. And it's just like every day has something, some saying or something that to encourage you, and recipes and all kinds of neat stuff. So I am going on a fitness journey, which we'll talk about in another video, where I have a fitness planner. But anyway, this was in my add-ons. And that set also came with a thing of cream. Well, it's got kind of a damage to the box. Hopefully this is okay. De-stress muscle gel, and it's massive. It's like huge, really massive. It smells kind of like menthol. I sprayed myself with a cologne in an earlier video. It's still bothering me, so. Anyway, another thing that I ordered because I really needed a regular shower cap that was not a hotel one was this set from eSalon, and it came in this bag, and it has a giant shower cap, and it says style saving whatever. It's called a moon cap. Anyway, I know it's big and I was really needing to use it, but I was waiting for this unboxing to take this out, so now I can use it. And as part of the set in the bag, there's also a dry shampoo. Oh, how cool is that? They had spongy wrap on it. I can use that with something I'm shipping that's made of glass. Anyway, this is from eSalon. It's called Without a Trace Dry Shampoo. So you all know how fond I am of dry shampoos, so I was happy to get that. And that was an add-on. I think the whole thing was valued at like $35 or something, and I paid like $10. So the add-ons are the stunning thing about Fab Fit Fun. They're just stuff you can get for like hardly anything. Like this last thing was $11, and I know, I needed a palette like I need a hole in the head, but these colors just really spoke to me. And I kept going back and forth, adding it and taking it out again. I was very lucky that it was still available when I decided, yeah, I'm going to get that. And it's from Crown Brush. And the colors will not show up on camera as beautiful as they are. Gosh, they're stunning. I take the plastic off so you can really see them. My daughter and I already felt these colors and swatched them on our hands. See, it just doesn't show up as bright as it is in real life on camera. They are buttery soft and absolutely beautiful. Wow, just like absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna probably do a makeup tutorial using these. If you guys want it, please let me know. I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't do makeup tutorials very often, but I can do a get ready with me, and I'll maybe use this palette in the next get ready with me video. So that is really, really beautiful. So that was my add-ons. There were a couple freebies that we got free from companies that manufacturers, and I already gave, there was a light bulb, some kind of LED or something. Gave it to my husband already. I also got these digestive bites, which I actually will use because I think they help with your digestion. They're probiotic bites, and I got a coupon too, and these are dark chocolate, which is good because I like that. I will like that. And I got something weird that I don't know if I'm going to use, but I do get little tiny spots of pimples sometimes. I just don't think I'm going to use this though. I don't know. But anyway, this is from Organic Skin Doctor. It's free, and it's a blemish stick, and you dot onto blemishes. So yeah, I might try it because I do get like little breakouts right here in this area from probably my CPAP. So anyway, that was free also, and that came also with a coupon. So on to the big box. There is stuff in here that I know I'm going to love, that I loved when I looked and saw the spoilers, and I know that I'm going to absolutely love this. Alright, so this is, I have not unsealed it yet, but I know some of the stuff in here. So it comes with that newspaper. It weighs a ton. It's blocking the light. It could block the sun. It's so like massive. Let's see. There we go. Let's just fold it down so we can see. Alright, so it comes with this, and these newspaper style leaflets basically talk about the products and how best to use them. Like different tips for wearing some of the clothing that you get. This month is for the Heart Association. I don't know if you know this, but heart attack, I know this as a nurse. Heart attack and stroke are the biggest killers of women in the United States. Not cancer, heart attack. So it's really important to take care of your heart. And then, let's see, you can see that it has the seal on it. Unseal this right now. I was dying to unseal it, but decided that I would wait. Okay, so I'm not going to take this necklace out. I have seen this on people on the internet, and it is really beautiful, but I promised it to my daughter. She gave me a scarf in exchange for this necklace, so, and I always take the scarf. The necklace is really pretty, so I wonder if that was a good move. But I already promised it to her, so she'll be getting that. Next thing, and I was kind of against this, but then I thought maybe my sample just didn't do it, and that is this deep pillow. This was one of the choices. I could have gotten this or a pink rubber ball, and all I could see in my mind was the puppy biting into the rubber ball and ruining it. So I chose this, and it's called Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. And some people swear by this. I had a sample and it didn't really do anything. But I don't know if it's because it was the sample or if I didn't spray it right or whatever. But anyway, I'm willing to give this a really good try, and that's full size. Everything in this box is full size. Then there is Exfoliate, which I have never tried. People talk like this is like the holy grail of skincare. So I'm willing to bet it probably is, because a lot of people love it, and probably for good reason. And this is the tube. And this is full size, and I think this goes for $75. Yeah. So obviously it's something out of reach for me to buy, but to get it in a box is really great. Yes, I could never afford to buy that otherwise. Then one of my favorite hand creams. This is like so big. This is a special limited edition size of this Ahava hand cream. Let's see, how many ounces are you? 5.1 fluid ounces. Your average hand cream is usually 1 to 2 ounces. This thing is massive. Like I don't think that you can tell like just how big this is. It's like unbelievable. But I do like this hand cream. I already know because I've used it in the past. Okay, next thing is a pair of aloe. Ooh, there's something under there. Let me take these out. carefully because the makeup thing is there. These socks, wow, they're really big looking. They do have heels in them. So now I understand what people were saying about the socks look really big. But anyway, these are super soft. And I'm definitely going to enjoy wearing these, like, soon because it's so freaking cold. Okay, next thing is makeup item, and I don't know which color it is because I said surprise me. I was really torn. There was a smoky eye version and there was a natural eyes version. The smoky eye had like purple in it, which I have. I think I have plenty of that, but I'm not sure. And then the natural eyes one. And it's funny that it doesn't come in a box because all this stuff usually comes in a box. But anyway, it is Douce, and I don't know what color it is, so you'll be surprised when I am. So let's see. Oh, good. Yeah, it's actually the natural color, which I think is best for me. The colors look very similar, but they're really not. I thought, why does that palette have 2 rows of exactly the same? On film, it looks the same, but it's really, really not. And also some of these are satin color and some of these are have a little bit of shimmer. And this is not coming off. This is a highlighter. And it's got a plastic thing. Oops, let's see. Oh, I have to take the whole thing off to get the plastic thing off. Okay. And there's the beautiful highlighter. It's absolutely beautiful. So now I have more than enough palettes for any human to have. So anyway, this is really pretty and I will be keeping that, not trading it or giving it away. Okay, next thing, I hope I got the mug design that I really wanted the most. This was not something that I could pick. Now, as a yearly member, I was able to pick like the color of the eyeshadow and the couple of the extras, like picking the pillow spray versus the pink balloon, the ball thing. There were a couple choices, and also the poncho, there was a choice. But anyway, this is, what brand are you? Coming in Hot. This is what it says on top, so I don't know what color it is, but it's a mug. I look forward to mugs, and if it's the one that I like, it says Coming in Hot though. I don't think the one I really wanted the most says that. Nope. The one I wanted the most was a blue mug that had a smiley face on it. This is pretty nice though. This is Coming in Hot. This is a nice big mug. As you can see, we are fans of big mugs in my house. This is very nice. So I'm going to put that in the dishwasher and start using it because I love big mug, especially for tea. And the last thing in here, not the last thing. Oh, there's something else under here. Oh yeah, I forgot. I picked these eye masks. And these are like an energy drink for your eyes. Anne Winkle and anti-wrinkle energizing eye masks. Anyway, there are a bunch of sets in here. Let's see how many sets. I believe it was 10, but I'm not positive. I know it's a lot, so I'm really looking forward to using these because I have lots of masks, but I don't have a lot of eye masks, so this will be very nice. So the poncho that I picked is black and gray because I thought, and the reverse is gray with black stripes. You can see stripes. I thought that would work best. Let me unwrap you. With whatever you're wearing. And I will definitely wear this out because it is not like a real goofy looking thing. It is actually very sophisticated looking. And I've seen different ways to wear it, and you know I'm going to enjoy wearing this. So anyway, that is the design. And I'm not going to model it for you guys because I'm just too heavy right now at this stage of my life, which is going to change with my fitness. That's going to happen. That is going to be a whole different video, and I'm going to go over the planner I got and what my plans are. So anyway, I absolutely love all this stuff. I'm very happy that I decided to become a year-long subscriber because I was able to pick stuff instead of just getting whatever, you know, luck of the draw kind of thing. And I was able to pick stuff that I really wanted, and you know, I'm very happy about that. So, of course, this is like an oversized box, and it is chock full of stuff. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. You. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please use my subscribe link down below. You will save $10, and I think I get a little bit an equivalent, like $10 toward the spring stuff that they sell. So if you like me, please use my link if you aren't already subscribed and you want to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.